Blaming your slow metabolism for weight gain? Then you'd love to learn about metabolism boosters, the popularity of which is steadily increasing. Metabolism booster supplements are dietary supplements designed to speed up metabolic rate and promote weight loss. They are usually in the form of pills, tablets, or powders added to food. Some booster supplements contain a blend of vitamins, minerals, and medicinal plants, and others contain only one ingredient. It is essential to consult a medical professional before starting a metabolism booster regimen. Doctors usually recommend them to overweight patients who need help adhering to the basic weight loss principles, reduced calorie intake, and increased physical activity. Most metabolism-boosting supplements also contain natural ingredients such as caffeine, ginger, and B-complex, all proven to reduce appetite, increase satiety, and block the absorption of fat. The way fat burners promote weight loss is increasing energy and endurance for physical activity, storing less fat, increasing leaner muscle mass, and suppressing appetite. Most studies indicate that a balanced diet and regular exercise are prerequisites for a healthy metabolism, and supplements can help restore its balance.